Hi there. Hope this message finds you well. In this video, I'm going to explain how to submit your course participation self-evaluation rubric. So we'll start on our website and click on coursework. Okay, we'll scroll down to the course participation tasks and the self-evaluation rubric. So you simply click on this. Okay, and you're going to make a copy of this. So you click on Make a Copy, and you're going to rename that Course Participation Rubric, and then add your name to the end. Okay, now that's going to open up as a new document. So there it is with my name right there. Just to double check, I am going to add my name here as well. And I'm just going to highlight it so it's recognizable. Okay, then what I'm going to do is simply highlight where I feel best describes my course participation in EDUC 250. So, social media, I didn't use a lot of social media, but I did ask questions and answered, worked in my group, so I'm going to highlight this. Go to the highlight button and highlight. Okay, student attended all classes, always on time, excuse absence, follow through with a note email. Well, I missed the occasional class. That one better fits my description. Okay, usually prepared with assignments, weekly reading, always prepared. Well, if you're kind of somewhere in the middle, you can highlight them both. Okay. All right, and then down below you'll just finish that. I'm going to add in some of my own comments about my participation and professionalism in this course. And we're not going to require that you staple this rubric to your student work checklist because that would be really hard to do. So we're not going to do that part. Okay, once you have done that, then you're going to move it into your Google folder. So you click on this little arrow that says Move, and then you go and find where your folder is. So it will be in your Google folder. For me, that's in Student Work. And I'm going to find my name there. It's right there. And I'm going to move it into this folder. Okay. And the last thing I want to do is I want to make sure it's shareable, because right now the document is private only to me. So I'm going to go in there. Anyone with the link can view. Well, that's nice. Okay, usually it's private. You can also share it with me, Galloway B08 at gmail.com. And you can send it to me there as well. Now when I go into my EDUC folder, here I am there, I can click it, and I can see I've added my own rubric there. There we go. And that's all you have to do for that. Now in relation to course participation tasks, if you click on all of them, the deadline to submit all of the course participation tasks is Wednesday, April 8th. So even though some of them were a while ago, you can still go back and finish them. You'll see that some are required, so you should have those ones done, and some are optional. You'll also see where it says here that, where is it? Yes. Individuals are encouraged to complete 10 tasks in total. Okay, so 10 out of 10 would be distinguished, but 9 out of 10 is pretty pretty good as well. You'll see that some of these we did in class, and week 9 last week we had 2 instead of just the 1 because we're not doing this number 10, and you'll see the rest that are coming. Okay, so you have until our last day of class, which is April the 8th, to submit all of your course participation tasks into your Google folder. Okay, so that's all you have to do on that. And just a reminder that course participation professionalism is worth 10% of our course. Thank you, and as always, please reach out if you have any questions. Take care.